Hi everybody, Darren here from Microsoft, and today I'm introducing you to the Samsung Galaxy Book S. Let's open it up and have a look. Alright, inside we have the Samsung Galaxy Book S. Ooh, no, very light, I like it. We have a super fast charger brick. Get that out, there we go, fantastic. USB-C entry point there as well. Inside here we've got USB-C to USB-A adapter. We've got a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. That's good length on that one, which is good. And then in the middle pocket we have the paperwork that comes with it. Alright, now that I've only got the device in front of me here, it's light, like it's under a kilogram. It's actually 961 grams to be exact. And as we look around, it's really thin at only 11.8 millimeters. So quite thin, quite light. And the finish that Samsung have been able to do on this is very nice, very premium, which is good. It comes in two colors. This one is actually mercury gray. Also comes in an earthy gold. So check those out when you're having a look at the device. As we look around, we've got a USB-C and a headphone jack there, and on the other side we have a USB-C. So very minimal, but sleek, slim, and light. I like it. Alright, so while I set up this device, I'm going to run through some of the specs. Inside you'll find 8 gigabytes worth of RAM. You get a choice between 256 or 512 SSD storage, and that storage is also expandable up to 1 terabyte via micro SD card. It also comes with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for view connectivity, and Samsung also states that you'll get up to 25 hours worth of video playback. And in my book, that's pretty decent. There's two big callouts I also want to make on the Samsung Galaxy Book S. The first one is its processor. It's running a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8cx 7nm 64-bit processor, which is designed for PCs like this. And the second, the Samsung Galaxy Book S is an always connected device, meaning it comes with the capability of connecting to 4G or LTE. So you can actually work, you can study, you can stream anywhere you get mobile coverage. This device actually makes a lot of sense, especially for those people who are always on the go, carrying their device everywhere, conscious of how much it weighs and how long the battery lasts. Having peace of mind that the device is always connected, so you don't need to worry about, finding a cafe Wi-Fi or tethering from your mobile phone. You just open up and get to work. Like I said, makes a lot of sense. Now that we've set up the Samsung Galaxy Book S, let's open it up and have a look. As you can see, it's running Windows 10 Home, so straight away using the device, you find it very familiar. It has a 13.3-inch Full HD screen, which also supports 10-point multi-touch, which is perfect. So that means I can just touch the screen to play or pause or open and close applications. You'll be happy to know Samsung have also squeezed a 720p HD camera up the top in the thin bezel, which makes it perfect for any Skype calls or Teams meetings. You'll also find the power button also doubles as a fingerprint sensor for Windows Hello. So it provides that additional level of security, and it's a big tick for me. Having one button to wake it up, sign it in is super fast and super convenient. The keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy Book S is pretty decent. Considering the thinness of the device, you still get pretty good key travel. It's also backlit, so it's perfect for when you're working or studying in low light areas. And when it comes to sound, well, you won't be disappointed. It has AKG speakers, which are Dolby Atmos enabled and sound amazing. There's some great specs inside the Samsung Galaxy Book S. And I know you're probably wondering, what about the performance? You can rest assured that you have a great experience with this device. Multitasking like a pro, getting in the zone and staying there. You're probably thinking, this device sounds pretty good. And you're not wrong. Samsung has designed this device to be ultra light, super slim with all-day battery life and great all-round performance. It's ready to go whenever or wherever you are. So, whether you're a student, someone who's always on the go, or maybe just someone who's looking to upgrade from their old device, don't overlook the Samsung Galaxy Book S as your next modern Windows 10 device.